Hello everyone, welcome to Access for Free. In the previous video, we added a new field called contact type to our form. Right now, users can type anything into that field, but in many cases, we want users to choose from a predefined list instead of typing freely. This helps keep the data consistent and avoid spelling differences or duplicate variations. To do that, we use a drop-down list, also known as a combo box in Microsoft Access. Let's convert the contact type field into a drop-down. First, open your contact form. Switch the form to Design View. Now click once on the Contact Type text box so that it is selected. Press Delete on your keyboard to remove the text box control. Don't worry, this only removes it from the form, not from the table. Next, go to the Form Design tab. In the Controls section, click the Combo Box control. Now click on the form where you want the drop-down to appear. As soon as you place it, the Combo Box wizard will open. You'll see several options. Select I will type in the values that I want. Then click Next. Now enter the values you want in the drop-down list. For example, client, supplier, partner, employee. Click Next. Access will now ask which field should store these values. Select the contact type field from the contacts table. Click Next, then give the label a name if needed, such as contact type. Click Finish. Now arrange or stylize the drop-down as needed. Now save the form. Switch to Form View. Click the drop-down arrow in the Contact Type field, and you'll see the list of options you entered. You may also notice an option called Edit List Items. If you click this, it allows you to modify or update the list of values used in the drop-down. This makes it easy to adjust the available options later if needed. Instead of typing anything manually, users can now choose from the predefined list. This helps maintain clean and consistent data inside your database. That's how you add a drop-down list to a form in Microsoft Access. In future videos, we'll explore more form controls like list boxes, option groups, and advanced form features. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.